Hello everyone, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the lint filters in your JD1 Panasonic Heat Pump Dryer. Let's get started. First of all, you'll find the filters are located in the front, both here, where your dual layer filter is, and here, with two locking mechanisms. You can clean the filters with the drying rack still on the inside, which is another advantage of the Panasonic Heat Pump Dryer, as other heat pump dryers can't do that. I highly recommend you do this after every single drying load to make sure that your heat pump dryer operates efficiently and effectively. Let's get started. The easiest way to clean the filter is to use a vacuum cleaner. Here's one I prepared earlier. I always start off with the dual layer filter first. So if I pull that out, you'll notice that you've got plenty of lint in there from the last time I did a towel wash. Man, look at the build up. So yeah, simply open that up, turn this on. Cool. So because we've got a dual layer filter in the top, you make sure you want to pull this out and actually get right in there and clean all the lint out. Simply place it back on the inside here and reinsert. Now, there's also a secondary filter here. Unlock the latches there and there, pull it out, and you'll notice that there's lint inside there as well. So again, just use your vacuum cleaner. Cool. Once you've done your vacuuming and cleaned out the filters, make sure you lock these back up simply by pulling the tabs that way, and you're good to go. Just double check that there's no extra lint around the edges here. You can wipe that out with a damp cloth or use your vacuum cleaner again as well. Now that you've cleaned the filters, the last thing you want to do is make sure that you've got any kind of lint and build up around the edge of that door just wiped away. So simply use a damp cloth and just clean those seals from around here. Boom, look at that. And you're good to go. Nice. All right, and there you have it. That's how you clean the lint filters and properly maintain your Panasonic Heat Pump Dryer. If you're looking for more information, check us out online at panasonic.com or check out some of our other how-to videos at Panastudio NZ. Thanks for watching. See you next time.